Hi, I'm Fairy, and today on Naked Skincare I want to talk to you about a product that I use. This is the Ordinary's Resveratol and Ferulic Acid Serum. Now, I've done a video on antioxidants, and this contains two powerful antioxidants. Resveratol. Resveratol actually comes from the skin of grapes, and it comes from other products as well, but the most common one is the skin of grapes. And ferulic acid. These are both powerful antioxidants that help both repair your skin of damage and protect it from future damage. Now, one of the things I've discovered that resveratrol is, as my youngest would say, it lives in a liminal zone of solubility. Basically, it's not really water friendly and it's not really oil friendly. And I was having trouble. I had tried a number of different resveratols. One of the reasons, again, I like to shop in Ulta is that I can go in and I can feel how things feel on my skin. And I couldn't figure out where to put it in my skincare routine because it just didn't feel like it belonged. But I wanted to use it. I was absolutely convinced that this would benefit my skin and it would be good for it. And I liked the Ordinary's formula, and the cost is certainly user-friendly. So I decided to give it a try. And that was my cat that decided to use my little shelf down here as a launch pad. But back to resveratrol. This is the Ordinary's resveratrol, and I use this. And when do I use it? I like to start my day with a facial massage. While you're sleeping, your skin settles. And add to that your lymph. You have lymph glands in certain places in your body. Under your chin, under your arms, in your groin area. Unlike your blood vessels, your blood, which is pumped through your body by your heart, your lymph system depends on gravity and movement, your natural body movement, to make it flow. While you're sleeping, everything kind of settles. So I like to start with facial massage. Sometimes I literally do it with my hands. I have a number of devices I use, sonic devices. I like the gua sha stones. But all of those things, really, you need some sort of a serum. So the first thing I do in the morning is I put on this serum, and this becomes the base of my facial massage. Then I let it absorb in, and usually I have my first cup of tea before I go and do the rest. I wash my face and do my skincare routine. So I get the benefit of it without it feeling like it's out of place. Now, might fit your skincare routine better, but again, I am absolutely convinced that these two ingredients, resveratrol and ferulic acid, are very good for your skin. There are other serums that there are a number of serums that have ferulic acid, but there are other formulations with resveratrol. I like the Ordinary. It's very cost effective and it does the job. And again, the texture, it just is a really great serum on my face for my morning facial massage. So yes, this is my second bottle that I'm going through. So I definitely recommend it. And as always, your mileage may vary. Because your skin is unique, but remember that skincare is healthcare.